How to delete Snapchat account permanently on Android. If any day any of you are an Android user and you would like to delete your Snapchat account permanently on your very Android device, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi Fi connection or your data connection as well. After you check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not, now you have to launch the very Snapchat application on your mobile device. For that, you have to find the very Snapchat application, and after you find it, you have to tap on it. After tapping on the Snapchat application like this, now you have to go to the next option, that is, you have to go to the profile like icon on the top. After tapping on the profile like icon on the top, now you have to go to the settings like icon. After tapping on the settings like icon, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to scroll down until you find the option of I need help, and you have to tap on that. After tapping on I need help, now it will take you to an interface like this. You have to wait for a while until it gets loaded. After that, you can see the interface like this, and in the search icon you have to search delete my account. After you tap on delete my account, now it will take you to an interface like this. Now here you have to just scroll down and then go to the option of Snapchat accounts portal. After tapping on the Snapchat accounts portal, now it will take you to the next interface. Now here when it takes you to the next interface, you can see a picture like this in your very screen as well. And after you see an interface like this in your very screen as well, now what you have to do is you have to follow the next step. That is, here you have to tap on your username or your email address, or you can also use your phone number. And after going to the option of next, you have to tap on your password. After you tap on your password, now it will take you to the account portal of Snapchat. And after it takes you to the account portal of the Snapchat, now you can go to the option of delete my account, and you can delete your Snapchat account permanently. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.